Hey, what's up guys, I'm from Aravind Tech. In recent few months, this Apple Ultra watch is going viral in many Instagram pages, but this is not a real Apple Ultra watch. It's a fake Apple Ultra watch. These things are going all around the Instagram and social medias nowadays. I was curious about this watch, so I need to see what it is and how it is looks like. In many of videos, they are saying like we can use Play Store on that, we can watch YouTube, use Instagram, and we can do many things. We can do all the things that we are doing on the mobile. So I want to test and I want to try it out how it works. So that's why I bought it. I bought this so-called Apple Ultra watch, but I'm not paid for this. My friend brought this and I borrowed this watch from him for testing and making a video. So all credits goes to my friend. So now let's see what's inside the box. So let's get into the video. So this is the watch box. So see from top angle, this is the watch box. So let's open this up. So inside there is a manual, so all the setup details. So now let's come to the main part. So here is the watch. So here is the straps for that watch, and here is the charger. So this is a magnetic charger, and that's it. So now let's see this watch. So before reviewing this watch, I want to show you something. So look at this. So this is a real Apple Ultra watch and this is a fake Apple Ultra watch. So real watch is cost around something around $700, I think. So $700 to $800, but this thing cost around $7 to $8. So I'm not exactly sure about the prices, but my friend brought this for around 600 Indian rupees. That's around $1.24. So look at how they are cloned this watch. So now let's turn on this watch. The time screen is also looks like an Apple watch. So look at the time screen. So it's pretty similar to the Apple time screen. So let's dive in deeper. So this app navigation is also looks same as Apple's. How these guys are making the same product as an Apple. So Apple is spending millions and billions of dollars to build products like this, but they are just cloning it in a very cheaper than Apple. So one of the thing I'm curious about this watch is the Play Store and the apps that we can able to download from it. So let's see how it works. So here it has Play Store, but it asking to download the app. So let's download the app, and there is an issue in it. I am having only one mobile. Currently I am shooting on that mobile only. So how can I able to download this app? Wait a minute, I have an idea. So I am back with my mom's mobile. Let's install that app in this mobile. So it shows a QR code. Let's scan that QR code. Wait for a while guys. So this mobile is hanging pretty much. So wait, I will download the app and then I come. So finally I scanned this QR code after a big struggle and the app is downloading. The app is called HI Watch Pro. So it was downloading. Let's see after it finishes. And while this app is downloading, let's see about this watch little bit. So this watch have a little scroller wheel here. If you scroll means there is many options are working here. Look at here. I'm just scrolling this wheel. The wallpapers are changing. And it has different other functions. And there is a button here. And there is also a button here. And there is a speaker grill here, a little speaker grill. In the back of the watch, they have a sensors for that heart rate tracking and many things like that. And here they printed like watch, ultra, aluminum and ceramic cast, ECG, heart rate, Bluetooth and waterproof. I don't think so. So let's see this app downloaded or not. Okay, finally the app is downloaded. Let's open this up. So now it's opened up. How can I connect my device? So it was, I think it was scanning for this watch. Okay, here it's showing the watch. Look at here, you can see that. So here it's showing the watch. Click and connected. So I think it was connected. Yes, the watch was connected with the app. So now let's explore the options here. Okay, look at here. It was connected with that mobile. So we can able to use this as a remote shutter. So look at here. We can able to use this as a remote shutter option. But I think this option will only works within the app. Let's test it out. So in our normal camera app, the shutter option is not working. The shutter option is only working with the camera option that inside that app. And this app is also contain many Chinese ads. The ads are coming here on the app is in Chinese. So you can set message alerts here like WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, call reminder, SMS reminder, LinkedIn, Snapchat. If you enable any of this means you can see the notification of those apps inside this watch. I think there is no more features like this. So these things are like default features of any smart watches. So let's check it out if there is any other options. That's it guys. So let's check it out here. See, we can able to access Play Store or guys, the watch is connected with that app, but if I open the Play Store, it asking to download that app and connect. I didn't understand what's going on here. So look at here. Here I am just clicking on Play Store. It is showing me a QR code. But this watch is connected with this mobile. But it's still asking to download the app. So it says download the app and bind the watch. But the watch is already connected with my mobile. So let's reset this device and see how it works. Okay, it's resetting now. Still it's showing like that. I don't know what issue is this, but it's still showing the QR code to scan the app. I don't know what I do with this. I restarted that app also. I restarted the watch also, but it's still not working. So let's open some other like Facebook. So it says no messages. Okay, WhatsApp no messages, Twitter no messages. These things are okay, but when I'm trying to open the store, it asks to connect. Then how I can able to download and use apps? And here there is only one game called Fighter Pilot. In settings there is an option called Siri. So here there is an option called Siri. Let's click it. Okay, it tells me to ask me anything. But look at here, it opens the Google Assistant. So when I click the Siri, it opens the Google Assistant. Okay, look at here. It opens the Google Assistant in the mobile. But in watch it says Siri. I think that's it guys. I was curious about this watch, but my expectations are broken. But it was getting heat. I was not tied in my hand. I was using this watch around I think 20 minutes or something. Let's check my time. Yes, I was using this around 20 minutes in my hand, but it was heated. What if we tie this here for a long time? But it looks cool. So let's wear it. So let's wear and see with the straps. Okay, look at here. It looks nice in hand, but still I can feel the heat here on this watch. And it has music control option. And you can able to call from this watch, and the calling option is working. I was tried out. Calling function is working well, but the voice little bit slow. So let me play you a song. I think you can able to hear the song, but the sound is very low. It takes me 5 to 6 seconds to realize the song is playing on, and you can able to control the songs from this watch. The sound quality is very low, and that's about this watch. And this was getting heated, so I was testing call and songs here. It started to getting heated, so it can able to damage your skin. So let's conclude this video. I will suggest you to not buy this watch because it is not working well, and the app is also crashing many times, and there is a connectivity issue also there in this watch. And the main issue is the watch is getting too much of heat. Wearing this watch for a longer time, it can cause any skin problem, and I suggest you to not buy this watch. But if you don't want any features, if you want a Apple Watch look means, you can definitely buy this. So this looks exactly like a Apple Watch. So if you want to go off on your school or college means, you can buy this watch, but I don't suggest to buy this. And little bit higher price, there is many smartwatches are available on the market. So here I have another one. So look at here. So I was using this watch for a while. So tomorrow you will watch a video about this. So this is a pretty good watch. So that's about this video. Hope this video is informative to you. Got questions, ask them in comments. I will reply for you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, I will catch you tomorrow. And then signing off from Mr. Aravind Tech.